morning to all. I am Pawan Kumar, Mathematics, Grade 7, Exercise 1.1, the lesson number 1, Integers. Already we know that the integers, what is in by integers? The negative numbers and then whole number is called the integers. Exercise 1.1 and 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Totally 4 lessons having. Now the revision part, integers. So what is in the integers? Already we know that natural numbers and whole numbers and then integers. Natural numbers, whole numbers and then integers. Natural numbers means the numbers starting with 1, 2, 3 then etc. That is called the natural numbers. Then whole numbers mean the numbers starting with 0, 1, 2, 3 then etc. That is called the whole numbers. Then integers means whole numbers with negative numbers. Whole numbers with negative numbers. Listen here. The first one, our introduction, integers. Properties of addition and subtraction. First one, addition part. Closure under addition. Closure under addition. When two integers are added, the result is also integers. When two integers, that means two numbers added, the answer is, the result is also integers. Closure under addition. When two integers are added, the result is also integers. In general, for two integers, we take two integers a and b. A and b. That means a plus b. A plus b is a integers. For example, 1 minus 30 plus 3. Minus 30 plus 3. It is a integers. The first integer is minus 30 and then second integer is 3 is equal to minus 30 plus 3 is equal to minus 27. Which is an integers. Minus 27 also integers. That means minus 30 is an integer and 3 is an integer. We add two numbers, our answer is minus 27. So minus 27 is also integer. That means hence integers are close under addition. That means hence integers are close under addition. The next one, closure under subtraction. Closure under subtraction. The difference of two integers is always integers. Difference of two integers is always integers. In general, if a and b are two integers, a and b are two integers, then a minus b is also integer. A minus b also integers. For example, 7 is an integer, the number 7 is an integer. Minus 9, the number 9 is also integers. So 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 2. So which is again an integer. 7 is an integer, 9 is an integer. So the difference is minus 2 is also integer. Hence integers are closer under addition. Hence integers are closer under addition. The next one, commutative property. For any two integers a and b, the commutative property is a plus b is equal to b plus a. A plus b is equal to b plus a. Example 1, 5 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 4 plus 5 is also 9. That means 4 is integer and 5 is integer. 4 plus 5, 9 is also integer. So 5 plus 4, 4 plus b. That means a plus b, b plus a is equal to 9. The next one. But one condition that we say that subtraction is not commutative. Listen here, subtraction is not commutative. then multiplication of two integers. We have two cases. When we multiply two integers, a into b is equal to a dot b. Listen here, a into b value is equal to a into b minus a into minus b is equal to minus into minus plus b. A into minus b is equal to minus a comma b. That means a is a positive integer and b is a negative integer. We multiply two numbers, our answer is negative. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. The next one, minus into plus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Minus into plus is also minus. Listen here, example 1. 6 into minus 4. 6 into minus 4 is equal to 6 4s are 24 plus into minus 6 plus then 4 minus plus into minus is equal to minus. The next one, example 2. Minus 4 into 7 is equal to minus 28 because minus 4 means it is a negative integer and then into 7 is a positive integer. So minus into plus is equal to minus. That means minus 28. It is a negative integer. Here multiplication part. Close up under multiplication. Close up under multiplication. The product of two integers is also is an integer. The product of two integers is also is an integer. In general, for all integers a and b, for all integers a and b, a into b is equal to integers. Listen here, 20 is a positive integer into minus 5 is a negative integer. 20 into 5 is equal to 100. Here sign plus 20, here sign minus 5. Plus into minus is equal to minus. So minus 100. Minus 100. So minus 100 is also integer. So we can say that integers are closed under multiplications. First one addition, then second one subtraction, then third one multiplication. Here some properties sharing. The first one, commutative of multiplication. Commutative of multiplication. For two integers a and b, for any two integers a and b, the formula is a into b is equal to b into a. A into b is equal to b into a. For example, 6 into minus 4. 6 into minus 4 is equal to minus 4 into 6. 6 into minus 4, here minus 4 into 6. The value is same. 4 6 are 24. Plus into minus. So minus. Minus into plus. Minus. The value is 24. That is a commutative property. A into b is equal to b into a. Next one, multiplication by 0. For any integer a into 0. A is an integer. So a into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into a is equal to 0. A is equal to integer. That means a is a number. 0, 1, 2, 3 or any number. Any integers. 6 into 0 is equal to 0. This shows the product of any integer and 0 is always 0. The next property, multiplicative identity. For any integer a is an integer. Integers with numbers. A into 1 is equal to 1 into a. A into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. For example, 12 into 1. 12 into 1 is equal to 12. This shows that 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers. 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers. The next one, associative property. Associative property of multiplication, the product of three integers does not depend upon the grouping of integers, and this is called the associative property for multiplication of integers. In general, we take three integers a, b, c. A into b is into c. First one, a into b into c. The first term is a into b, second term is c, is equal to a into b into c. A into b into c. It is called associative property. The next one, distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtractions. Two properties having addition and subtraction is true for all integers. In general, for any integers a, b, c, a, b and c, our rule is a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Listen here, a into b plus c, a into b is equal to a into c, and subtraction rule is a into b minus c. So a into b minus a into c. The division part, division of a positive integer by a positive integer. Division of a positive integer by a negative integer. Next one, exercise part, mathematics, class 7, integers. Question number 1. Following the number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. Listen here, question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius. It is called the number line. The temperature given degree Celsius 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places having. The first place is Lahul Spiti. The first place is Lahul Spiti. The temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius, minus 8 degrees Celsius. And then second place is Srinagar. Here 0 is a center bar. The left hand side negative integers, then right hand side positive integers. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, then minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. The left hand side is a negative integers. And then right hand side is a positive integers. The first place is Lahul Spiti. Here temperature is minus 10 having minus 10, minus 9, minus 8. So Lahul Spiti's temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. And then Srinagar is 0, minus 1, minus 2. So Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. And then Shimla is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. And then finally Ooty 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. But our question part is first one, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places. Mark on it. Lahore Spiti minus 8 degrees Celsius, and then Srinagar minus 2 degrees Celsius, Shimla 5 degrees Celsius, Ooty 14 degrees Celsius, Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius. Then B part is we want the hottest place is Bangalore with temperature 22 degrees Celsius. B part, what is the temperature of difference between hottest and coldest? Listen here. What is the temperature of difference between hottest and coldest? Hottest and coldest places. Here hottest place is Bangalore 20, 21, 22 degrees Celsius. Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius. And then coldest place is Lahore Spiti minus 10, minus 9, minus 8 degrees Celsius. So Lahore Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. But we want to difference of two area. The temperature. The hottest place is Bengaluru, 22 degrees Celsius, and the coolest place is Lahore Spiti, minus 8 degrees Celsius, Bengaluru 22 degrees Celsius, and the Lahore Spiti minus 8 degrees Celsius. So 22 degrees Celsius. We want to difference, so we take minus 22 degrees Celsius minus of minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus into minus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. So 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. 22 plus 8 is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. The next one, C part. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Listen here. Lahore Spiti minus 8 degrees Celsius and Srinagar minus 2 degrees Celsius. Lahore Spiti minus 8, Srinagar minus 2. Our C part is the temperature of difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. The Lahore Spiti is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Then minus of minus Srinagar is 8 degrees Celsius. Minus into minus plus. So minus 2 degrees Celsius, minus into minus plus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 2 plus 8. You want to minus 2 degrees Celsius from 8 degrees Celsius. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 degrees Celsius. Then D part. Can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla? Taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. First we take the temperature Srinagar and Shimla. We compare to Shimla. Which one is the highest? First we take the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Srinagar and Shimla is equal to minus 2 degree plus 5 degree. Minus 2 degree plus 5 degree is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. We compare Shimla, which is less than temperature of Shimla. It is a less than temperature of Shimla because Shimla temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. So, but is not less than temperature of Srinagar. Question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and the negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack scores in 5 successive rounds, if Jack scores in 5 successive rounds where the score is plus 25, minus 10, minus 5, minus 10, plus 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? What was his total at the end? Solution part. Jack scored in 5 successive rounds. 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. His total is equal to 25, you want to plus 25 plus into minus 5 plus into minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Listen here, plus into minus is equal to minus. Again plus into minus is equal to minus. Plus 15 plus 10. So 25 plus 15 is equal to 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. Then minus 5 minus 10 is equal to minus 15. 15 minus 15 is equal to 35. The next one, question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? And then on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Listen here. Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. The first one, Monday, minus 5 degrees Celsius. And then dropped 2 degrees Celsius. That means decrease. Dropped means decrease. Minus 2 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose means the temperature is increasing. 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on these days? The temperature on Monday is equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius. The given is temperature of Monday is equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius. Since temperature dropped by 2 degrees Celsius, dropped means decrease on this day. So the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday was minus 5 degrees Celsius, minus 2 degrees Celsius. The given is minus 5 degrees Celsius. The drop remains minus 2 degrees Celsius. So minus 5, minus 2. Minus 5 is a negative integer. Minus 2 also negative integers. So minus, minus. We add two numbers. Answer also minus. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Minus plus minus is equal to minus. On Wednesday, temperature rose up 4 degrees Celsius. The next part is Wednesday, temperature is rose by 4 degrees Celsius. That means temperature is increased. So the temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius. Already Wednesday temperature is minus, Tuesday temperature is minus 7 degrees Celsius. And then rose up means add plus 4 degrees Celsius. Minus 7 plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 degrees Celsius. That's the temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday. 7 degrees Celsius, the first one. Then second day, minus 3 degrees Celsius. Question number 4. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. At a particular part, it is exactly above the submarine, floating 1,200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance? Listen here. The flight flying on 5,000 meter above the sea level. 5,000 meter above the sea level. And the submarine floating on the distance is below the sea level 1,200 meter. Listen here. It is the flight distance. 5000 meter above the sea level, and then 1200 meter submarine distance below the sea level. We want to 1200 from 500. So we add two numbers. The first one, height of the plane 5000 meter, and the depth of the submarine minus 1200 meter, because that is below the sea level. Below the sea level means minus, so minus 1200 meter. So the distance between submarine and flight is equal to 5000 minus of minus 1200. 5000 minus of minus 1200 meter. So 5000 minus into minus plus 5000 plus 1200 is equal to 6200 meter. That's the vertical distance between them, 6200 meter. Question number 5. Question number 5. The Mohan deposits 2000 in his bank account and withdraw 1642. Mohan deposit amount 2000 and withdraw amount 1642 rupees. So our question is balance amount. You want to balance amount. The amount deposit 2000 rupees. The amount withdrawn 1642. Balance left in Mohan's account 2000 minus 1642. That means deposit minus withdrawal. Deposit minus withdrawal. 2000 minus 1642 is equal to rupees 358. Thus the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal is rupees 358 rupees. Then question number 6. Question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by the positive integers, how will you represent distance traveled towards east? Listen here. The first one, the girl Rita traveled A to B. A to B. A to B. The point A to B. 20 kilometers. And the next we go to west side, B to C. Here B to C. So we want the total distance. Distance traveled in east direction. First one, distance traveled in east direction is equal to 20 kilometer. That means point A to B. The next, distance traveled in west direction. The west direction means opposite direction. So we take minus opposite direction. We take minus. It's a west direction. First we go to the east, then next we return west. West direction 30 kilometer. The opposite direction means we take minus. So we want the total distance. Distance traveled from A to C is equal to the first one 20 kilometer A to B, then A to C, B to C 30 kilometer, minus 30 kilometer. 20 plus into minus 30. 20 plus into minus 30. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. So 20 minus 30 is equal to 10 kilometer. Minus 10 kilometer. The theta distance traveled from a point A will be represented by negative integers minus 10 kilometer. Theta is in west direction. The next one, question number 7. This is a very important question. In the magic square, each row, column and the diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. 5 minus 1 minus 4. It is a magic square. 5 minus 1 minus 4. Minus 5 minus 2 plus 7. 0 3 minus 3. First we have the first row. 5 minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 5. And we have plus 5. 5 plus minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 5 plus is equal to 0. The first row is 0. The next one, second row. Minus 5 minus 2. Minus 5 minus 2 is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. The second row also 0. The next one, third row. 0 plus 3 and minus 3. 0 plus 3 and minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. The next we go to the column wise. Plus 5 minus 5 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. The first row is 0. First column is 0. The next one, minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. Minus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. The next one, minus 4 7 minus 3. We have two numbers. Minus 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. Next we take the diagonal. All rows are 0, then all columns are 0. Next we check the diagonal part, the main diagonal. 5 minus 2 minus 3. The main diagonal part, 5 minus 2 minus 3. 5 minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 5. So we add plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. The next is second diagonal, that is called the subdiagonal. The opposite diagonal, 0 minus 2 minus 4. We add three numbers, 0 minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 are 0 and then rows are 0. One diagonal is 0, but the subdiagonal is minus 6. Subdiagonal is minus 6. Minus 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 6. Is not equal to 0. Is not equal to 0. So is not a magic square. Is not a magic square. Next one, question number 8. Verify A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B for the following values of A and B. The first one, A is equal to 21, then B is equal to 18. Listen here. A is equal to 21 and B is equal to 18. Our condition is A minus into minus B is equal to A plus B. First we take the left hand side. The left hand side is A into minus of minus B. A into minus of minus B is equal to, the A is equal to 21 minus, then again minus B is equal to 18. Listen here, A is equal to 21, then minus again, B is equal to 18. Listen here, 2 minus 7, so minus into minus is equal to plus, minus into minus is equal to plus. So 21 plus 18 is equal to 39, is equal to 39. Then next we go to the right hand side. Our right hand side is A plus B. So A plus B. A value is equal to 21 plus B value is equal to 18. So A plus B, 21 plus 18 is equal to 39. LHS is equal to 39 and then RHS is equal to 39. So LHS is equal to RHS. Thus the condition is A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B. Hence verified. Next one, exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Write down a pair of integers whose the first one is sum is minus 7. Sum is minus 7. Write a pair of integers. We want a pair of integers. Our condition is sum is minus 7. That means we add two integers. Our answer is equal to minus 7. The first one minus 8. Then second integer is plus 1. Minus 8 is an integer. Then 1 is an integer. We want to answer minus 7. So minus 8 plus 1 is equal to minus 7. So the pair is minus 8 comma 1. Then B, difference is minus 10. Difference is minus 10. Minus 12 minus of minus 2. Minus 12 minus of minus 2. Minus 12 is integer, the difference is minus, then another number is minus 2, so minus 12, minus into minus, plus 2, minus 12 plus 2 is equal to minus 10, so the pair is minus 12 comma minus 2, then C, sum is 0, we add two numbers, any two numbers, we want to 0, minus 5 and plus 5, minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Then question number 2, write a pair of negative integers. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference is 8. We take negative integers, difference gives 8. The number minus 2 is a negative integer, minus 10 is a negative integer. So minus 2 minus of minus 10. You want to difference, that means we take minus 2 minus into minus plus 10, minus 2 plus 10 is equal to 8. So our pair is minus 2 comma minus 10. Then B, to write a negative integer and a positive integers, we take one negative integers and then second number positive integers. So our answer is sum is minus 5. We want to minus 5. The first one negative integer minus 8, then positive integer plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3 is equal to minus 5. So negative integer and positive integer. The pair is minus 8 comma 3. Then C, negative integer and a positive integers whose difference. You want to difference. So negative integers minus 2. Then difference means minus. Then another number is plus integer, positive integer plus 1. So minus 2 minus into plus minus. Minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Then question number 3. In a quiz, team A score is minus 40, 10, 0. And then team B scored 10, 0, minus 40. 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Team A scored minus 40 plus 10, 0. So our answer is minus 30. Sum of team B, 10 plus 0 minus 40. The answer is minus 30. Both teams score are 11. That means minus 30, minus 30. Yes, we can add any integer. And exercise 1.3. Find each of the products. Find each of the products. First one A, 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1. 3 is a positive integer, minus 1 is a negative integer. Positive, negative, plus into minus is equal to minus. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So our answer is minus 3. Then B, minus into minus 1 into 225. Minus into plus is equal to minus. So minus 225. And question number 2. Verify the following. A 18 into 7 plus into minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. We solve the first sum. 18 into 7 into minus 3 is equal to 18 into 4. Listen here. The 18, the first term, then second term is 7 plus into minus 3. Plus into minus minus 7 minus 3 4. 18 into 4 is equal to 72. It is LHS, then RHS is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into 3. 18 into 7 is equal to 126 plus 18 into minus 3 is equal to 56. We add two numbers. Answer is 70. So both are not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS. Then question number 3. For any integer A, what is minus 1 into A is equal to? For any integer A, what is minus 1 into A is equal to? Minus 1 into A is equal to minus A. Our question part is, first one is minus 1 into A is equal to minus A. Minus 1 into A. Minus 1 is a negative integer, A is a positive integer. Minus 1 into A is equal to minus A. Then second part, determine the integers whose product with minus 1 is, first one A minus 22, then B 37, C 0. So we multiply the minus 1 into given numbers, minus 1 into given numbers, minus 1 into 22 is equal to minus 22, minus 1 into minus 37 is equal to minus into minus plus 37, minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. Question number 4. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write the various product. So the sum pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 into is equal to 1. Listen here. The given term is minus 1 into 5 and the last term is minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. Minus 1 into 5. It is the first one. Then second one minus 1 into 4. Then third one minus 1 into 3. Fourth one minus 1 into 2. Fifth one minus 1 into plus 1. The last one minus 1 into 0. So value is first one minus into plus is equal to minus. Then second one minus into plus is equal to minus. Here also minus, here also minus. Then here 0. The final value is minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Question number 5. Find the product using suitable properties. Take the first one. Question number A. 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Question number A. 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Minus 48 minus 48. Minus 48 minus 48. We take outside the minus 48. Minus 48 remaining 26 minus 36. 26 minus 36 equal to minus 10. Minus 48 into minus 10. Minus into minus plus 48 into 10. 480. The next question number 6. Question number 6. A certain freezing process requires the row temperatures below from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every day, every hour, what will be room temperature 10 hours after the processing begins? That means given initial temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, then given change in temperature per hour minus 5 degrees Celsius. Change in temperature minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then change in temperatures we want to after 10 hours. We want to after 10 hours. So minus 5 degrees Celsius is temperature per hour. Per hour temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Into we want to 10 hours. Minus 5 degree into 10 is equal to minus 50 degrees Celsius. The final temperature is initial 40 degrees Celsius minus after temperature is minus 50 degrees Celsius. 40 minus 50 is equal to 10. 40 minus 50 is equal to 10. So 10 degrees Celsius minus 10 degrees Celsius. The next one, question number 7. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded every correct answers and minus 2 marks are awarded every incorrect answers and 0 for questions not yet, not attempt. Here 3 persons having. The first fellow is Mohan. The Mohan get 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. Marks given for one question is equal to 5. Marks given for 4 correct answers. 5 4s are 20. Marks given for one wrong answer means minus 2. Wrong answer means minus 2. Marks given for 6 wrong answer. 6 wrong answer. Minus 2 into 6 is equal to minus 12. Score obtained by the Mohan. 20 marks correct answers minus 12 marks wrong answers. 20 minus 12 is equal to 8. The next one, second person. Marks given for 1 correct answers. The second person is Resma. Resma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. So what is their score? 5 correct means 5 5s are 25. 5 wrong means 5 into minus 2 is equal to minus 10. Listen here. 5 correct means 5 5s are 25. The wrong means minus 2. Minus 2 into number of question 5 is equal to minus 10. The total score of Resma is equal to 25 minus 10 is equal to 15. Then similarly third person, Hina. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions. What's her score? Two correct answers means 5 2s are 10. 2 correct answers. Every answer correct answers means 5. 5 2s are 10. The next 5 incorrect answers. 5 incorrect answers. Minus 2 into 5 is equal to minus 10. So correct answer is equal to 10 and then wrong answer is equal to 10. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So Hina's score is equal to 0. Question 8. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement. White cement means profit and then grey cement means loss. Our question part is, the company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement. So what is profit or loss? Listen here. White cement is rupees 8. Gray cement means rupees 5. Our white cement is 3000 bags. So 8 into 3000 rupees into number of bags is equal to 24,000. 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. So 24,000. Then gray cement 5,000 bags. Number of bags is equal to 5,000. So 5,000 into 5. 5,000 into 5 is equal to 25,000. Profit minus loss. Profit minus loss. Our profit is white cement rupees 24,000 minus the loss is gray cement minus 25,000 is equal to minus 1,000 rupees. Minus 1,000 rupees. So minus means the negative. So negative means loss of 1,000 rupees. Question B. What is the number of white cement bags it must be sold to have neither profit nor loss? With the number of gray cement bags sold 6,400 bags. The gray cement bags having 6,400. Profit nor loss. That means no profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. Profit is equal to loss. Here we take profit is equal to loss. Loss means minus 5 rupees. Profit means plus 8 rupees. Minus 5 into 6,400. That means we have 6,400 gray cement bags. So minus 5 into 6,400 is equal to like given 32,000. 5 into 64,000 is equal to 32,000. That we don't know the white cement bags, so we take X. White cement bags X. But we know that white cement amount is rupees 8. The question point is profit is equal to loss. 8 into minus 32,000 is equal to 0. 8x minus 32,000 is equal to 0. Listen here. Profit plus loss is equal to 0. Profit plus loss is equal to 0. Our profit is 8 into x. 8 into x. Number of bags 8 into x. The amount is x. Minus 32,000. It is a gray cement value 32,000. It is a white cement value 8 into x is equal to 0. 8x minus 32,000 is equal to 0. You want the x value only, so 8x is equal to minus 32, opposite go means plus, so plus 32,000. 8x is equal to plus 32,000. So x is equal to 32,000 divided by 8. 32,000 divided by 8. So our answer is 4,000. Our answer is 4,000. The next one, exercise 1.4. Evaluate the following. A minus 30 divided by 10. Minus 30 divided by 10 is equal to minus 3. Because minus 30 divided by 10, that means we take reciprocal of 10. Reciprocal of 10 means 1 by 10. Reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10. So minus 30 into 1 by 10. 30 into 1 by 10 is equal to minus 3. Is equal to minus 3. The next one, question number 2. Verify that A divide B plus C, then A divide B plus A divide C. For each of the values of A, B, C, A is equal to 12, B is equal to minus 4 and C is equal to 2. Our condition is A divided B plus C, the left hand side, and then right hand side is A divided B plus A divided C. First we solve the LHS. LHS A divided B plus C. A is equal to 12, B is equal to minus 4, and then C is equal to 2. 12 divided by divide minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. So 12 divided minus 2. 12 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 6. And then RHS A divided B plus A divided C is equal to, the A value is equal to 12 divided B is equal to minus 4 plus A is equal to 12 divide C is equal to 2. The first one, 12 divided by minus 4 is equal to 3. 3 4s are 12. Then plus 12 divided by 2. 6 2s are 12. Minus 3 plus 6 is equal to plus 3. So LHS is equal to minus 6. Then RHS is equal to 3. Minus 6 is equal to 3. It is not equal. So A divided B plus C is not equal to A divided B plus A divided C. Then question number 4. Write 5 pairs of integers. The condition is A divided B is equal to minus 3. Such a pair, the given pair is 6 minus 2. That means A divided B is equal to minus 3. 6 minus 2. 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to 3. Because 6 divided minus 2 is equal to 3, you want to find pair of integers. 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 1 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 divided by 1 is equal to minus 3. 9 divided by minus 3 also minus 3. Minus 9 divided by 3 is equal to minus 3. 12 divided by minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Question number 5. The temperature at 12 was 10 degrees Celsius above the zero if it decreases at the rate of 2 degree per hour until midnight. On what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below? And then second part, what would be temperature at midnight? The starting temperature is, at the time is 12 o'clock, the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. It is reduces per hour 2 degrees Celsius. Listen here, initial temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. The change in temperature per hour minus 2 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 1 p.m. The given part is 12 o'clock. Then after 1 p.m. 10 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 1 p.m. is equal to 8 degrees Celsius. Then temperature at 2 p.m. is equal to 8 degree plus minus 2 degree is equal to 6 degree. 3 o'clock 6 minus 2 4. 4 o'clock 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 5 o'clock 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 6 o'clock 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Then 7 o'clock minus 2 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Then 8 o'clock 4 minus 4 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 6. Then 9 o'clock minus 6 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. Thus the temperature 8 degrees Celsius below at the 9 p.m. Temperature is 8 degrees Celsius at 9 p.m. It will take, the important point is 12 hours to midnight, 12 a.m. to after 12 noon. Change in temperature in 12 hours per hour minus 2 degrees Celsius. The total time is 12 hours. Minus 2 into 12 is equal to minus 24 degrees Celsius. Our midnight temperature is already the given 10 degrees Celsius plus the total time is minus 24 degrees Celsius. 10 minus 24 is equal to minus 14 degrees Celsius. Thus the temperature at the midnight 14 degree below 0. 14 degree below 0. The next one, question number 6. In a class test, plus 3 marks given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given every incorrect answers. Radhya 20 marks if she has got 12 correct answers. And the question is, how many questions can she attempt incorrectly? Mark attempt one answer is equal to plus 3. Right answer means plus. Then wrong answer means minus 2. Marks obtained Radhya. His score is 20 and then marks obtained 12 correct answers. So 12 into correct answers means 3. 12 3s are 36. And marks obtained for incorrect answers is equal to. You want incorrect answer is equal to total minus 6 mark. Total minus is mark. Total marks is equal to 20 and then minus 12 correct answers mark is equal to minus 36. 12 minus 36 is equal to minus 16. Marks obtained one wrong answers is equal to minus 2. The number of incorrect answers is equal to minus 16 divided by 2. Minus 2 is a wrong answer marks. So minus remaining mark minus 60 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus into minus plus, that means minus divided minus plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So Radhya attempt 8 questions wrongly. The next one is test part. Here the test part. 1 marks multiple choice questions level 1. The first question is, the smallest integers in given option is, you want the smallest integers minus 1, 0, C, D. Option minus 1, 0, 1, 2. The next question is, integers used represent 30 km towards the west if case is represented by the positive A 30 km east, B minus 30 km, C plus 30 km, D 300. Then third one, missing numbers in the following match square. Missing number in the following match square. A 4, B 6, C 10, D 12. And then question number 4, which of the following correctly shows the following numbers arranged in ascending order: 45 minus 29 plus 21 minus 45 and 23. Next, fifth question. Withdrawing rupees 2500 from a bank can represent as first one 2500 plus second one plus 2500, then third one minus 2500, then fourth one minus 2500. Sixth one, absolute value of minus 58 is plus 58 minus 58 1 0. Question number 7. The product of two integers is minus 72. What is the value of other integers if one of them is 12. The other integer is a minus 6, b minus 2, c 6, d 26. The negative of a negative integer is dash. Select a suitable option to complete above the sentence. Negative integer 0, positive integer can be positive or negative integer. Which one of the following associative property? Which one of the following is associative property? The first one is a plus b into c is equal to a into t plus c. Plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Then c, a into b plus c is equal to c into a plus b. The d, a minus of b plus c is equal to a minus b plus c. The last one, which of the following option correctly? So the following numbers arranged in descending order: minus 5, minus 17, 10, minus 4 and 2. Option A 10, 2, minus 5, minus 14, minus 17. Option B minus 17, minus 14, minus 5, 2, 10. Option C minus 5, minus 14, minus 17, 2, 10. Option D 2, 10, minus 5, minus 14, minus 17. Thank you to all.